Are you looking for the best drones for photographers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DJI Mavic 3. For experienced aerial filmmakers looking for a drone from a renowned brand, the DJI Mavic 3 is worth every penny. New to this quadcopter is the 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera that captures stunning 20MP images and 5.1K videos at 50 frames per second. This massive sensor, combined with an adjustable aperture, ensures you take pro-grade content that can be featured in documentaries. With a maximum flight range of 15,000 meters, this drone enables you to capture lots of intricate details in hard-to-reach places. You can get epic shots when engaging in water-based activities or mountaineering before the drone loses connection with the controller. However, this range is pretty long compared to other drones, so ensure you don't reach places with strict no-fly zones. Flying the DJI Mavic 3 is a delight, thanks to its obstacle avoidance system. It is enabled by stereo, infrared, and ultrasonic sensors that work simultaneously to ensure the drone detects and evades obstacles that may lead to a crash. Number 2. Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus. One thing that sets the Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus apart from other drones is its 6K video capture resolution, which lets you shoot cinematic footage at 30 frames per second. This resolution gives you more pixels to play with, so you'll end up with professional images even after editing. This drone also incorporates a 1-inch CMOS that makes it easy to capture sharp and detailed videos in low light conditions. Extreme windy conditions are lethal to drones, so buying a model that stands up to harsher weather conditions is crucial. Fortunately, this quadcopter can resist level 7 winds. You can fly it at a vertical elevation of 800 meters without worrying that it will be tossed around in the sky. If your photography content revolves around foggy environments, then you'll appreciate the defog mode. With this function, your drone automatically switches the camera's vibrance settings, so images below a waterfall or hilltops appear crisp. Number 3. DJI Mini 2 Fly. If you're a photographer who's always on the move, then you'll love the DJI Mini 2 for its compact body. It only weighs 0.54 pounds and folds nicely to fit in your travel bag for easy movement. In addition, because of its weight, less than 250 grams, you won't need to register with FAA, so you can fly it immediately after purchase. Even with its lightweight design, the DJI Mini 2 holds up well in the air as it has a 3-axis gimbal. It prevents bumps on the 3 axes for consistent image stabilization. This means you aren't limited to shooting footage indoors only, as the drone performs well in higher altitudes. The drone uses the OcuSync 2.0, a wireless transmission system that enables it to fly up to a distance of 10 kilometers without any interference. You'll still achieve epic shots when shooting in isolated locations or places inaccessible by foot. Number 4. Ruko F11 GIM2. Nothing is more frustrating than receiving a low power warning when trying to capture aerial shots of hard-to-reach places. The Ruko F11 GIM2 stands out with its 2 high-intelligent batteries, each providing 28 minutes of flight time before running out of juice. With a total of 56 minutes, you won't have to cut short your photography session or waste time waiting for the batteries to recharge. Only one level lower than the Autel Robotics EVO Lite Plus, the Ruko F11 GIM2 does an excellent job resisting level 6 winds. As such, your drone stays stable when swaying through large tree branches, so you won't end up capturing shaky videos and photos. The point of interest is another feature that makes flying this drone enjoyable. It lets you choose a fascinating subject, like a lighthouse, and command the quadcopter to get a 360-degree video of it. Number 5. DEERC D22. If you want a drone with handy smart features to play with, consider the DEERC DE22. Its waypoint mode lets you set flight program routes that the drone will follow to help you achieve specific photography results. you can get a video entailing multiple points of interest, which is useful when surveying an ongoing construction project. Like most drones, this quadcopter has a 4K resolution, offering countless possibilities for professional videography. During editing, you can scale down the content to 1080p, and it will still look excellent for marketing purposes. In addition, you can zoom in on images up to 5 times without ruining their quality. The DEERC DE22 is another excellent choice if you want a drone with a long-lasting battery, as it comes with 2 batteries. They run for 52 minutes per charge, helping you fulfill your photography needs before returning home for a recharge.